I love my Casio WS1700H, which we modded with these 16mm plastic strap adapters. However, when I wore it to my sports game, we had a blowout because these adapters are 16mm and don't quite fit, which is why I ordered the correct size 18mm J's and K's metal strap adapters. So let's install them. Oh dear, and these ones are even rusty. Perfect fit with these quick remove spring bars, so we're going to try some standard 18mm spring bars. Get your adapters at genie.us/Js18, and these adapters will also fit the Casio Royale AE1200. Oh yeah, follow for more, and I can't wait to test these at my next sports game.